Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm going to be doing a natural hairstyle for you guys, and I promise it's going to be simple enough for you guys to follow along. I washed my hair last night, tied down with this hair tie, and today it's nice and flat and ready to get done. So the reason why I washed my hair and tied it down so it could lay nice and flat is because I want my hair to be straight and easy to manage when I'm ready to do the style. I'm gonna go ahead and part off the front and keep it out of the way so I could work on the back first. The hair that I'm going to be using today is from this company called Amazing Beauty, and this is my first time working with them. Inside the box with the hair, I got this really nice big green comb. I also got these clips. It's my first time seeing them, but I like them. This is the hair, guys. It's clip-in hair, and I got 2-packs because I felt like I'm going to need 2-packs to do my hair, and I was right. I'm going to show you guys real quick how I open the clips and get them ready for my hair. I just push on the back of them like that, and when I stick them into my hair, I push on them the other way, and that secures them. I'm going to go straight to clipping these hair in the back of my hair, so I'm going to part my first section off for my first piece. When I'm adding the hair in, I like to tease the root of my hair, and I feel like this helps to hold my clip-ins in more securely. And now I'm just going to stick them in and snap them. Okay, now that I got that first one in nicely secure, I'm gonna go on to doing a second one. When I'm doing clip-ins, I really don't worry about my hair being part straight because I know that it's not gonna show anyway, so why waste my time on getting it nice and straight. As you can see, the clips they sent me came in really handy for this hairstyle. And yeah, I'm definitely going to be using them for other hairstyles I'm going to be doing in the future. And again, I'm going to go ahead and stick the clip in my hair, and then I'm going to snap it back to close it. For this section, I'm not sure if you could tell, but I'm adding in 2 pieces here because I needed a wider piece, which I didn't have, so I added 2 of them to fill the section. Okay guys, for this final one, in order to hide the track or hide the clip-ins, I'm gonna clip it the opposite way and then I'm gonna flip it back, and this is gonna hide everything and you know, it will make it look more natural. Now I'm gonna move on to styling the front. I'm gonna part this section down the middle because I want to do 2 buns in the front. This is water I'm spraying on my hair to soften it up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and add some got-to-be glue styling gel on it. And here I'm combing it in, and also I'm brushing it in because I want it to be nice and straight and smooth. I used this orange ear tie to hold it because that was like the closest thing I could have found next to me. But I tell you, this little orange ear tie held my hair so tight, it was unbelievable. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the other side. These are the pieces of hair I saved to do the buns in the front, and I also saved these 2 smaller pieces to go with it. I'm starting off my bun by adding in the smaller piece first. And I clip it at the root, this way it won't come loose so easily. Then I went ahead and wrap it around to form my bun. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the bigger piece on top of that. I'm using a bobby pin to hold the end of it so it doesn't come loose, and I'm gonna put a couple more in it just to keep my bun looking nice and neat. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera. Now that I'm done with the front, I went ahead using my fingers to fluff the back a little bit so it could look fuller. I'm not gonna add any accessory to this hairstyle. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is and do my makeup, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. This is the end result, guys. I'm so obsessed with this hair. I really think the texture of it matches my natural hair very well. I like that they were easy to install. They weren't tangling on each other. Also, when I was ready to fluff it, I didn't have to use a comb. Using my fingers was good enough. I also tried to make this hairstyle simple enough for you guys to follow. All you gotta do is clip these hair in and make the bun in the front. And I feel like this is, you know, simple because you guys have been asking for something easier to follow because I'm always doing box sprays and lace wig in my hair, so I hope this one will help. Just in case you're interested in getting this hair for yourself, I will be linking all the information in the description box below. And please remember that for this hairstyle I use 2 packs, not 1, so definitely get 2 packs if you're gonna do it. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!